Hi everyone, this is Raven with Love for Stamps, and I wanted to do a quick video showing you a little bit about the SVG files that are now being sold on the Pink by Design store. Basically, when you get the SVG files and you download it to your computer, I save mine into specific folders that I create. So I create like a new folder that would say Pink by Design SVG, and then I would be able to open that up. And basically the way, this is the one we're going to be working with today, but basically the way that you open it up is right here on the top. You will see some different, and this is on Sure Cuts a Lot. Make the Cut I know is a little bit different, but you'll go to SVG and you'll click on that, and then this is, like I said, this is my folder, so I'm going to go down till I find, let's see, Sweet Treats I think is what it's called. Maybe not. Frozen Treats. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to select Open, and then it'll open up right here. Now, if you leave it this size, this is the exact same size as your stamp set. So say you buy the SVG file and the stamp set, you can cut it out in, like, say, white cardstock, and then you can just take your clear stamps, line it up exactly with your SVG cut that you cut out, and it will be the exact same size. So it'll like kind of shadow it just a little bit. So that's what would happen if you just imported it at its regular size. Okay, but for today, we're not actually going to work with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just backspace, and that'll delete it. And then I'm going to come over here, and I want to just show you guys a few things on here as far as using SVGs. So you're going to highlight the whole thing. And normally if you just click on it, it'll highlight the whole thing. Right click on your mouse and go to either ungroup or break apart. I always do break apart. And that allows you the opportunity to move each piece individually. And you can also say, I don't want these pieces. I'll just hit backspace and it deletes them. This piece, I want it cut up into 3 different ones. But right now, to move it around, I kind of just highlighted all 3 of them. Now you will also have the opportunity to move them individually, and then you can put them on different places on your mat, so it makes it easier to cut them. Whoops, like 3 different colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I actually just want to do this ice cream top right here, and I want to do this cone. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to delete all these ones, because today I don't want to work with those. Now, when I go to cut them out, I'm going to do this 2 ways. I'm going to leave it like this as its regular size so I can show you guys how to do that, but then I'm going to hit Control C and then Control V, and now I have it again. And I'm going to come over here to the right hand side, and you can see I'm going to click on this little button that says Keep Proportions. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my cone and my ice cream, and I'm going to, on this bottom right hand corner, the arrow, I'm going to pull it and make it bigger. Okay, and the reason I'm going to do this is because I'm going to actually use this cone on a layout on a scrapbook page, and so I want it to be bigger. Okay, so you just put it on your mat where you want it to cut, and then you go to your cutter, whatever type of cutter it is. I have an eCraft. I know a lot of you guys have a Cricut and you use these kind of programs with the Cricut, but you can use it on a Silhouette, an eCraft, why can't I think of the other ones? A Linux, all those different types of cutters will use SVG files. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out, and then I will sit down at my desk and show you guys what my project is going to look like. Hey everyone, Raven here, and I wanted to just do a quick video showing you the finished product of my card. I ended up not doing the layout, and I still used the same size cut that I had made for the layout, but I put it on a card because my husband informed me that we were going to a birthday party and I didn't have a birthday card. So this is what it looks like. I just went ahead and embossed the cone. And then on the ice cream part, I just used stickles on the edge. But this is an SVG file. Now, mind you, all the SVG files that are being sold from Pink by Design, when you put them into like Sure Cuts a Lot or Make the Cut or any program that you have, they're going to cut
if you leave them alone, they're going to cut as the exact size of your stamp set. Now, I didn't leave mine alone, and I manipulated it and made it bigger, like I showed you guys on the video. And so you have the ability and the freedom to do that with these SVG files. They're really awesome. I love them. I love using SVG files is one of the main reasons too. But I just wanted to show you, and then I wanted to share with you the sentiment on here. It says, "Have a sweet celebration." That is from the Sweet Summer stamp set, and it's super cute. The SVG, like I said, the SVG set fits with it perfectly, so they all match up. And it just makes it really easy to use so that you don't have to cut around the edges. You just cut out your SVGs on like a white sheet of paper, and then you stamp with any color that you want. So that works really well, and I really like the SVGs for that purpose also. Other thing I wanted to mention, just really super quick, is that if you're not part of the Pink by Design Stamp of the Month Club, you need to get involved. Right now, they're having a super great special on it. The club members actually get an exclusive stamp set once a year, and I think they're shooting for like once or twice a year. You get discounts on background stamp sets and sentiment stamp sets if you buy those in addition, which you will, because there's a lot of them that match and they're amazing. Other than that, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope everybody's having a fabulous day. Talk to you soon.